Hello everyone and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Estrel Blue. So alongside being presented in the very nice Estrel Blue, the vehicle is also equipped with a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside some very nice optional extras. Further enhancing the exterior is the 19-inch BMW 704M alloy wheels that are in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. Sitting just behind those wheels, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and that on this car means we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. At the front of the car, you'll see it is a facelift model, so we get the very nice facelifted LED headlamps, as you can see there. Moving on down the side of the car, you should be able to see just how nicely presented this vehicle is, alongside the BMW gloss black air breathers, and of course our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Another nice feature for the M Sport Plus pack is that sun protection glazing you can see on the rear windows. And everything we have added in addition to this already very eye-catching car works very nicely with that exterior colour, as does the interior that the car comes with. And that is the black Dakota leather with M highlights, which features both the electric lumbar and heated seat options for passengers and drivers. As you can see there, that is what we mean by the M highlights, all in good condition throughout once again. And we also still have our wonderful Harman Kardon surround sound, 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course we'll touch on more of the interior specifications shortly. Moving on to the rear seats, we of course have an Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest, and again the very nice darkened M Sport headlining. Again, just want to show you off that these alloys are all in superb condition, come all the way around with the premium mixed run flat tyres. So again, at the back we've got a high gloss rear boots, a high gloss rear diffuser and satin rear boot spoiler, should I say, and LED rear facelift tail lights. Opening up that automatic opening and closing tailgate, you can see just how large the space is on there. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. You can make that even further, however, by removing both the top and bottom partial shelves along with split folding seats. Round at the other side of the car, again, we can show you off how well the Estrel Blue works with all of the additions we've made alongside those original BMW optional alloy wheels. Again, showing you how clean and tidy they are, and trying to show off this vehicle is an exceptionally clean and tidy example of a very high spec 420D variant of a Gran Coupe. Moving on inside now, I'm going to show you a little bit more of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with a big one in the form of the Professional Plus widescreen navigation and media we have. By Professional Plus I do mean it's touchscreen. So as you can see there, I can swipe across effortlessly and then touch into the individual sub-menus and then use the satellite navigation very easily, much like you will do on your smart devices or smartphones. You can simply then go tap into there, and that's where I want to set my destination to. However, if you're not a huge fan of touchscreen items within cars or anywhere, you've still got your iDrive wheel down here to utilise to your full advantage. Moving away from the navigation menu and navigation screen we've just checked out, we've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the DAB, music collection, and you also get USB and AUX inputs. This vehicle has covered just over 37,000 miles, and that brings me nicely onto our next big optional extra for this car. We've got the digital cockpit, or digital dashboard if you prefer, and again that changes your overall interior experience very nicely. So at the moment you'll see that looks a fairly normal looking dashboard display. However, when we engage sport using our performance mode select, everything glows red. We get a huge digital speedo, and again you'll see a complete change within that dashboard display. And then again also for Eco Pro, that will change completely again. We get a completely different readout and then altogether different interior experience. Although a slight and small thing, a small touch, sorry, it does make a huge difference to your overall interior experience and is always a very sought after optional extra. So we'll now go ahead and check out this vehicle's service information and service requirements, not before again showing you off that lovely dashboard display once more, of course. So in terms of this vehicle's service history, it's got full BMW service history, as you can see there now on screen. The only service item that is coming up to be due is the brake fluid, and we will of course have that carried out. It's actually coming up on just its time. Of course, there's no mileage with brake fluid. However, the actual engine oil service is due in 9,000 miles time. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Further information can of course be found in the link in our description, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.